and today we are going to play a very interesting game, but it's going to be challenging game. Today we are going to play Valorant, but there is a challenge in this game that we are going to only using knife.
We will
Yes,
be using knives. Only knives.
knife. Yeah. This is all. So I'll let me choose my character. So Siddhant, can you just explain the rules of the game?
We can only use knife and no other weapons. That's it. Only knife.
That's it.
And there's also another rule. We have the person who's attacking, which is me this round, has to tell where they're going. So like A or B.
They think they can walk all over my turf?
They can't just
I've got a grenade that says
That is a
otherwise.
rule.
It was like just yesterday. I was chopping time at the store.
We can use the abilities.
Yeah, we can.
Okay, so yeah, I have to forgot using this knife. Good actually. Good challenge. Yeah.
Oh my god, this map is so good.
Yeah.
Not clear on this.
And guys, this is not replay. Normal.
These cycles, replaying on the so good.
Oh yeah.
Like right beside me, there is replaying. Oh wow. Okay, I'm going in.
Okay, na. So I always forget that we have to only use the knife only. So
You can't use anything else.
oh, you're in A, na. So hard.
Spike planted.
So hard.
And
Hey, can we use abilities? No.
Grenade!
Oh no. This chapter.
I'll be behind you. I'll be behind you.
Oh, you
Let's
have to
go.
move in nice, bro.
शाबाश बेटा
So actually, I'm getting.
Bro, I knew it.
Surrounded by minha família. We
That
won't lose.
has a lot of mobility.
B, na. Let's go to B, guys. Yeah, always.
My abilities are.
I've chosen a very good character actually. That's why.
I chose a very good character.
Spike planted.
I can attack very easily.
Grenade!
Oh.
Oh my god.
Okay,
Let's go.
you are just so good at this. Actually, so good.
Spike planted.
My outfit.
Get out of my way!
Oh no, you use that ability.
I use my ultimate.
I guess I have to also use that.
Okay, I only have like
But I
78
don't
grenades
have that,
left. Hopefully that's enough.
Let's take the heavy shells.
Grenade!
Sorry, I just forgot.
Oh my god, oh I somehow survived that.
I actually murdered myself. So I just put that.
You say
what do call
something?
that? I
Sorry,
used my own
ears still
ability to
ringing.
kill myself. Wow. This is
You
the
are-
first time. Wow.
I mean like
Such
you should have
That is-
Omen's also really good for this.
Yeah, Omen is also good, but I straight like this.
So why did I because it can teleport now.
Let's actually discuss which character do you like. So Siddhant, starting with you, which character is your most and how much would you rate?
My main is I mostly switch between Cypher and Yaku.
Oh.
There you are.
Oh man, you're just so pro.
Okay,
You want to dance?
Or
Bro, what is going on?
Spike.
What is going on?
What happened?
Glitching.
Glitch. But your laptop is
flush
still
them
better
out.
than that Revan's.
Definitely.
Much better. Because gaming laptops is actually very much.
My laptop's kinda not really.
And guys, I'm playing on my Acer Aspire 7, and guys, this video is not sponsored by Acer, so please,
Yeah,
I'm
even
not
I have an
sponsoring. Even
This
we
is
are,
not a sponsor.
yeah, not a sponsor video, guys.
Bro, what is this?
Spike planted.
Yeah. Oh, I have to defuse. Oh yeah, guys, I literally forgot.
My eye is giving you a very good boost.
My screen is showing network
Love
on my right
explosions.
corner side.
Anyone have any splints? I may have jammed my fingers.
Oh, right click.
Multiple
I can't
fingers.
access. Sorry, guys. Rules will have rules.
Oh my god, why did I get this gun?
I was just going to tell you a thing that we also sing a song. मुझे पता है तुम कहाँ पे हो.
Peter, hey.
That is a good song actually.
Yeah. I made
This
it.
was developed by SIDDHANT. So appreciating this guy.
Thank you. Okay, I'm going in.
You should be Maha singer, bro. A Maha singer. Just like
Okay, now the Yags one. The Yags is completely one.
oh, I saw you there. You got it, homie. Hey, homie.
Grenade!
Come on, shine always.
Oh my god. Oh.
Good job.
I'm going to bring a that sniper video soon, guys.
Yeah,
Soon.
this sniper will. Oh, the Yags stay here. Why?
Oh no, I saw you.
Same here. Oh, I have my
I
ultimate.
forgot.
I have my ultimate though.
Get out of my way!
Arey yaar, I always forgot. Oh shit! I just
I needed all crap. I needed all. Oh my god, you're
The
actually.
mouse.
Comeback is here. We always come back time to time.
Switching sides.
Oh, zipline.
They're going to scatter from my
Oh, wow.
stuff. Super.
Oh, it is. It is. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm going to A.
Grenade!
Sorry. By mistaken, use the gun.
It's fine. Anyway, I won.
Hey,
No.
check.
Good.
Charges?
Nah, I
Check.
was forgot.
Brakes?
Can you just?
Bro,
Yeah, done. So
Where you going?
A. Back to A.
okay, back to it. I see.
Oh, मुझे पता है. अरे यार, I forgot.
Oh my god.
Why does a mouse?
Luckily I didn't use guys gun.
Okay, I have a strategy. I have a big strategy.
You say
I will
so?
not tell you. I will not tell you.
Sorry.
जोर जोर से बोल के लोगों को स्कीमें बता दे.
Yeah,
Ears still ringing.
Okay, I will also not say. Okay, cool.
Okay, where are you going?
B for banana.
B, right? Okay, I have to stay improve
B
that
for bada
strategy.
banana.
Okay, that is much better. That is much better.
Oh, sorry, bro. Sorry. Sorry.
Dude, this strategy is actually very good.
We're here because we're the best.
This is so
any
much,
of you
this is so
forget
much
that.
better than you know.
I'm ready.
Oh my god.
I'm as
Oh, yeah,
quiet as a
fine.
Okay, I
mouse.
have
Let's go, man.
we have to lower it even more.
Oh,
Let's go.
finally I
Let's
come
go.
back.
This is much better. This is actually much better.
Oh, good. Finally.
None of my stuff has malfunctioned yet.
I'm going to again B. I just want to
Hey,
test.
come here.
Let's go, baby. Let's go.
See, yaar, you wasted my turn.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
मुझे पता है तुम कहाँ पे नहीं हो.
कोई सेंस है इस बात की?
Okay.
Come out, Perry. I've seen you just now. And come out, little man.
Bro, why is this lagging so much? Huh?
कुछ भी.
I'm in B.
Bro, first time if you are in A or B.
Oh, I told you.
bro. Okay, never mind.
Grenade! Satchel out.
Bro, I'm not able to defuse.
बकचोदी मत कर
There we go, there we go.
Finally.
Finally.
This was lagging, bro. Yours was lagging.
It lags whenever I
I
come
got
trying to
this.
take. Whenever I have to hold like a button.
Oh, I see. Paper apple.
Here comes.
Oh no. Good. Bro, you're coming.
Oh my god!
Let's go.
I have to improve my skills, bro.
Bro,
Match
only
point.
I'll tell you the
Anyone have
secret
any
at the end. I'll tell
splints?
you
I may
the
have
secret
jammed
at
my
the end.
fingers.
Okay.
Multiple
Then-
fingers.
Then I will.
What did he say?
Mistake. I'm ready.
Get out of my way!
Yep.
But where are you?
Grenade!
Oh shit! That was very dangerous.
Shit. Here we go again. Oh my god, you actually beat me.
I just like headshot, like knife shot.
Oh, surrounded by minha família. We won't lose.
I had to come in B only,
Bro.
bro.
Grenade!
Yeah, come back. I will come back in next video, guys. Don't worry.
Yeah, guys. Let's see if it
Played
does.
actually good. Good. You can see I have killed 10, 12. So good scores actually for me. So guys, I hope you like this video helpful. We'll see you in the next video. Tada.
Hope you guys like it. If we get 5 likes, then we'll upload a new video.
Minimum 5 likes.
If we not a new video, we'll be uploading what do you call sniper only.
Sniper 1.
Sniper. We'll be uploading a custom game with sniper only. See you.
Yeah, guys. So I have to like.
See you in
to minimum
see you in the
5.
next video.
Yeah. So we'll see you in the next video, guys. Tata. Bye bye. See you in the next video, guys.
लोग नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो, वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उस पर फूट फेंक के मारो या फिर मोमबत्ती, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए।